Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your Mac. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged, ensuring a smooth connection process. Next, activate pairing mode on your headphones. This often involves pressing and holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you see a flashing blue light or hear an audible prompt. This indicates your headphones are ready to be discovered by your Mac, setting the stage for a quick and easy setup. Now that your headphones are in pairing mode, let's turn our attention to your Mac. Open up your system settings, which you can usually find in your dock or through the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Once there, locate and click on the Bluetooth option. It's crucial to confirm that Bluetooth is toggled on, allowing your Mac to actively search for nearby devices, including your Sony headphones. With Bluetooth enabled on your Mac, you should now see a list of available devices appear. Look for your specific Sony headphone model in this list. Once you've identified them, simply click on their name and then select the Connect button. Your Mac will then attempt to establish a connection. A successful pairing will be indicated by your headphones showing as connected in the Bluetooth device list, ready for audio playback. Sometimes, despite following all steps, a connection might not establish immediately. If you encounter any issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to toggle your Mac's Bluetooth off and then back on. Additionally, resetting your Sony headphones to their factory settings can often resolve persistent pairing problems. Always ensure no other devices are currently connected to your headphones, as this can prevent a new connection. With these tips, you should be enjoying your audio in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.